welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's NK here and I am taking you through another day in the life. I woke up at like 9 o'clock. I've been waking up like late. 9 o'clock for me is late. I usually wake up at 7 on a normal, healthy, normal me day. I'm waking up at 9:30 these days, but my body clearly needs to rest, so giving my body the chance to do that. So today I'm gonna take a bath and relax for the morning. I do want to step outside. It's really sunny right now in San Francisco, so it's great. I want to step outside, I want to get some fresh air. I did want to shoot content tomorrow, hoping that at least like my voice comes back. I know I don't need my voice to shoot content for Instagram, but we'll see how that goes. But for the rest of the day, I want to make headway on blog stuff. There's a lot of cool blog stuff that I'm learning about / like implementing, so I'm excited to see that all come into fruition. TV and relax, but blog stuff and just getting things ready in ways that I couldn't during the week because I was sick. So come along with me on this day in the life, and whatever else I do today, you will see.
Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How will you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere, you and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in.
So I decided midway through my bath that I wanted to put on a face mask. I think I did pretty well considering I did this blind. I sat in the bath while I did this. I did not get up and look at a mirror. So I think I did pretty good. So I am using the No Beauty Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. No Beauty was nice enough to send this over probably like 2 months ago now. So thank you, No Beauty. And they sent over a few other stuff too, but I feel like this is what I've been using mostly. They sent over a night serum and then a cleanser. So technically I have used all of the products as well, but I love masks, especially charcoal masks, because charcoal is just really good for your skin and your teeth. It's just a natural detoxifying agent. So I'm gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes and then get out of the shower or get out of the tub and wash it off and continue on with my skincare regimen. I am inspired to do like a full skincare situation. When I say that, my skincare is pretty extensive already, but just to like do a few more steps, just because I'm home and I'm relaxing and I'm already in a bath, so might as well just like do the full treatment of self-care, skincare. So yeah, I mean, right now you can see it's already like kind of melting off just because the bath is so hot, but it feels great. I've needed to take a bath for a while just because it feels soothing and it's awesome. Again, sorry for my voice. I feel like my voice is like, I'm croaking. Just gonna let this sit and then I'll see you guys later. I forgot to also shout out the bath products I'm using, courtesy of Mod. Mod sent over a 3-piece set for baths, and I expressed to them I love taking baths once every week or once every 2 weeks, and so they sent over a personalized set for me. The first is the bath wash. This is body wash and turns into a bubble bath as well. The notes are pink pepper, gurgeon balsam, and lemon cedarwood. I don't know if I said that right, but it smells really good. Then they sent over soak, which is the bath salts. So bath salts are really great for a few reasons. What I use them for mostly is making sure that I'm healing my muscles while, you know, I'm recovering from a workout or whatever. But salts are just really good for healing your muscles. So they sent over the soak bath salts. This is actually all gone already. I definitely will be asking for more. The notes are amber, cedar, leaf, cove, lemongrass, med, jewel, date, and tonka bean. It's very specific. The last thing they sent over is bath. It is the coconut milk bath, and for this, the consistency is like a hard consistency. When you scoop it out with your finger, and then in water it turns into a liquid, I guess. And let's see, and yeah, you just soak in it for 20 minutes, which is what I'm doing. And it is, like I said, coconut milk powder turned into liquid, softens and hydrates skin, while hand harvested sea salts detoxify the body. So that is my 3-piece set from Mod. I will link it down below if you guys are interested.
How wrong could that be?